Welcome back. Now, political tensions remain high in West Bengal as Ram Navami has arrived. The Vishwa Hindu Parishad is now planning over 1,000 rallies across the state of West Bengal, while TMC is also set to join the celebration for the first time. In fact, we're getting in breaking inputs right now. We're learning that the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has taken a jibe at Rahul Gandhi and his sister Priyanka Gandhi as well. The Assam CM has mocked the Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi as Amul babies, saying that people of the state of Assam are not interested in seeing both of them. Remember, the timing of this comment is very crucial considering Prime Minister will also be addressing a rally in Assam today. Let's also listen into what the Assam Chief Minister had to say.
Hajar manu ulaise moi gom poa mote ekku nai blak Priyanka Gandhi sabo kun aibo tatkoi manu Kajironga jabo bag gor sabo besi somoy to besi upojogi hobo Gandhi family sai lab ase ni Amul baby hoy ebila hoy no dekhile lage jen Amul campaign to he auluk saje gotike Amul baby ebila Amul baby sabo jot koi Kajironga gor sab goi besi lab hobo dhanyabad.
All right, let's quickly go across to Preeti. Preeti, of late we've seen Himanta Biswa Sarma only escalate his attack against the Gandhis. Yesterday, in fact, he attacked Rahul Gandhi for disrespecting Lord Ram, considering it's Ram Navami today. Do highlight the political timing of this. We know Prime Minister is going to be in the state. Not to forget, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will also be addressing a rally in Jorhat.
Definitely, it's a very crucial timing as this comment has come in. We have seen that Priyanka Gandhi has already reached Jorhat and she has been campaigning for Gaurav Gogoi since yesterday. And at the same time, we have seen that in the state of Assam, Prime Minister Modi is also here. He will be also addressing a public rally here in Assam. But here we have seen that Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Chief Minister, has only escalated his attack against the Congress in Assam, particularly all the leaders, even the national leaders of Congress. And he went on to say that why will people go to see Amul babies as Priyanka Gandhi is here. He particularly stated it about Priyanka Gandhi. He has mentioned the name of Priyanka Gandhi and stated that why will someone go to see the Amul babies as they look like, and he has also stated that instead of going to watch them, people of Assam and India will go and watch the Kajiranga's rhinos and tigers. And he has already stated that it is because there is no point of going on watching the Gandhi family, where he has particularly mentioned about Priyanka Gandhi and her visit to Jorhat today. We have seen that since yesterday she has been campaigning in Jorhat, and at the same time, simultaneously, we have also seen Prime Minister Modi campaigning for the BJP in Assam.
Since you're talking about Priyanka Gandhi campaigning in Jorhat, Preeti, give us a sense of what the attendees were like. What was the sentiment on ground zero? We also know that she's trying to rake up the issue of the wages of the tea workers as well. Give us a sense of what are those issues that she has attacked the Bharatiya Janata Party for in Assam.
Particularly what we have seen that she has been focusing mostly on CAA, and also, as you have mentioned, about the increase on the wages of the tea garden workers, because Upper Assam, where Jorhat is situated, it is mostly an area where most tea gardens are there. So what she has been
Preeti, I am so sorry to interrupt you there. Let's quickly go across to Mr. Pramod Tiwari of the Congress Party, who's joining me on the phone line. Mr. Tiwari, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi being addressed as Amul babies. In fact, Himanta Biswa Sarma has gone on to say that they should be visiting Kaziranga National Park and seeing all the animals over there.
आसाम के मुख्यमंत्री जब से कांग्रेस छोड़कर बीजेपी में गए, उन पर भाजपा पूरा विश्वास नहीं करती, संदिग्ध रहते हैं। इसलिए हमेशा ऊल जलूल आधारहीन गैर जरूरी स्टेटमेंट देते रहते हैं। मैं सिर्फ इनसे कहना चाहता हूं कि आसाम के समस्याओं पर अपना ध्यान खींचे। आसाम के लिए जो कुछ किया है नेहरू गांधी परिवार ने, वो आसाम के लोग, आसामी उनके हमेशा कृतज्ञ हैं, और एक गहरा रिश्ता उनका आसाम से और पूर्वोत्तर राज्यों से है। पूर्वोत्तर राज्य जिसका निर्माण इन दोनों की दादी इंदिरा गांधी ने किया था सिविल स्टेट के रूप में। तो मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूं कि ये बेहतर होगा कि आसाम की गिरती कानून व्यवस्था, विकास जो शिथिल हो रहा है उस पर ध्यान हेमंत बिस्वा लगाएं। ऊल जलूल, ऊट पटांग, मुख्यमंत्री पद के गरिमा के विपरीत कोई ऐसे स्टेटमेंट न दें।
उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की बात हो, चाहे फिर वहाँ के टी गार्डन्स के वर्कर्स की वेजेस की बात हो, इन सब मुद्दों से डाइवर्ट कर देते हैं अटेंशन पर। ये भी उन्होंने एक्नॉलेज किया कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने मन की बात में भी इस बारे में बात किया है। बीजेपी के मैनिफेस्टो में भी ये बोला गया है कि वो गरीबों के लिए क्या क्या करेंगे, चाहे वो फ्री राशन हो। तो क्या इस तरह का अटैक जो है जुडिशियस कहा जाएगा?
मैं बड़ी साफ बात कहना चाहता हूं, जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का घोषणा पत्र है उसमें कहीं भी इच्छा शक्ति नहीं है रोजगार बढ़ाने की। आखिर 10 साल का इसका इतिहास साक्षी है दो बातों के लिए, एक तो रिकॉर्ड तोड़ महंगाई के लिए, और दूसरा 38 साल में इतनी बड़ी बेरोजगारी देश ने कभी नहीं देखी जो पिछले 10 साल में देखी है। तो मोदी जी लगता है कि वो पूरी तरह हिम्मत हार चुके।
बहुत बड़ा आरोप सीएम ने भी यही लगाया था आप पे कि आपकी पार्टी ने जो है करप्शन फैलाया था, जो कि हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा ने आकर खत्म किया है।
करप्शन के पहाड़ पे जो आदमी बैठा हो, जिस पर खुद चार्ज लगे हो कोरोना के समय में, जिसकी जांच चल रही है, इसीलिए तो भाग के भाजपा में गए थे कि उनके ऊपर जांच वगैरह सब बंद हो जाए। तो जो आदमी खुद ही करप्शन का पर्याय बन गया हो, वो करप्शन ना बोले तो ज्यादा अच्छा।
जी, हमसे बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। That was Pramod Tiwari of the Congress Party, and with that it's time to slip into a quick break. We'll be back with the latest news and updates.